You lied about AI tools for ads. Boss is not happy with the results.
Give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes, I'll watch this video until the end to learn the new secret advertising tools used by big companies.
Part 1. Big Companies' Secret. I think I just discovered how companies like Binance, Alibaba, and Perplexity are creating ads so fast right now. They're no longer relying on normal text-to-video AI because those tools still require too much manual work. Instead, they're using Creatify Agent. You can literally paste a product URL, and Creatify Agent automatically generates a full multi-scene ad with the hook, storyboard, voiceover, UGC scenes, captions, music, CTA, and even analytics tools built into the same platform. So instead of spending hours scripting, editing, and testing ads manually, Creatify Agent basically works like an entire marketing team in one place. And if you're a brand, marketing agency, or affiliate marketer, start learning how to use Creatify Agent now before your competitors do. Now let me show you how easily anyone can create professional AI ads in just minutes. But before we continue, make sure to create your Creatify account using the link in the video description below to grab the limited time offer. The free plan gives you 10 monthly credits, which is enough to try out the tool. Part 2. Creatify Agent. After logging into your Creatify dashboard, click the Agent menu to access the Creatify Agent feature. Now simply describe the type of ad you want to create. You can also add characters, ad styles, or specific scenes if needed. Next, click the Product button. Here you can instantly add products just by pasting the product link, making it really easy to generate multiple product ads quickly. But for this example, let's use the manual method so you can better understand how the workflow works behind the scenes. Click Create Manually, then select Enter Manually and fill in your product information. After that, choose the AI model you want to use and click Generate. And here's the final result from this part.
Hey, can you spill your skincare?
Sure, I use this. Nevia UV Face. Hey, give it back!
Hey, use this so your face becomes more HD.
Part 3. Ad Templates. If you ever run out of ideas, Creatify also gives you access to a huge library of ready-to-use ad templates that you can instantly remake for your own products. Just head over to the Tools page, pick a template you like, and click the Recreate button. From there, upload your product image, choose your language, and enter your product description. Then click Generate. Before rendering the final video, you can review the script, edit the prompts, and fine-tune the ad however you want. And here's the final result from this part.
Wait, that's that little thing?
What?
Okay, no, that's actually loud.
Honestly, fair enough.
Part 4. Ad Flow. Now, if the previous features feel too automated and you want full creative control over your ad, you can use the Creatify Ad Flow feature. Just head over to the Tools page and select Ad Flow. Inside Ad Flow, every element is called a node. A node can contain images, videos, audio, text, or AI generation tools that all connect together into one workflow. For this example, we're going to create a fully customized ad from scratch using a character reference, outfit reference, and product reference. First, click Add Node and select Image Gen. Then, right-click anywhere on the canvas and upload your character and outfit reference images. Now, connect both references to the image generation node so the AI can use them while generating the character. Next, choose the image model you want to use. In this example, we'll use the Nano Banana 2 model. Then describe how you want the character to look, including the environment, pose, lighting, action, or camera style. Once you're happy with the image result, add a new Video Gen node. For this example, let's use the Seedance 2.0 model. To include your product in the video, simply upload the product image as another reference and connect it to the video generation node. Then write a prompt describing the video you want to generate, including the camera movement, character actions, environment, product interaction, cinematic style, and even the dialogue or sales script you want the character to say naturally while promoting the product inside the video. And here's the final result from this part.
Okay, This perfume is literally luxury in a bottle.
As you can see, Creatify is an all-in-one platform that makes the entire ad creation process much faster and easier. And if you're an affiliate marketer, I highly recommend trying the URL to ad feature because it can generate product ads in minutes just from a product link. Also, make sure to use the link in the video description below to grab the special offer. Thanks for watching this AI ad tutorial using Creatify. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for more free AI tutorials. See you in the next video.